In the book of Matthew 8 verse 28, as Jesus was coming out from the boat, demons who were possessing a man started to manifest as Jesus was approaching them because the power was with him. Watch this video as demons start to manifest as Prophet VC Zitha approaches them. He continues to cast it out without saying a word. This shows that the power is invested in him by Jesus Christ. Jesus does not live in a voice, but in a heart. Indeed, with no doubt, Prophet VC Zitha is a man of God, for we do not battle against flesh and blood, but against the principalities of the kingdom of darkness. The fight is in the spirit, according to the book of Ephesians 4 verse 12.
You're amazing. To me, you cannot lie. To me, you cannot lie. To me, Lion of Judah, you cannot lie. To me, you cannot lie. To me, you cannot lie. To me, Lion of Judah, you cannot lie. You cannot lie. You cannot lie to me. You are the Lion of Judah. You cannot lie. You cannot lie. You cannot lie. You are the Lion of Judah.
I wisila choma katsove aora anongotsovile ku tshama kha vulavula yena mfana loyi mani u byela na vanhu ku ri langutane ku na mfana wun'wana wa hala
She's also telling the people that watch, there is a certain poet, Gani,
u tshama langute TV ya yena
always watching the TV.
u tonga ngopfu mani no mani u tonga ngopfu u tongisa na vana va yena madokodela
She posts a lot about her sons that are doctors
leswaku na vana va yena va na madokodela va tongisaka va nga kumi vana
and will make them not to
na
conceive.
yena yi n'wi chela mavabyi yo
And
tala
also will put a lot of
yi n'wi
sickness to her.
borisile vonani hi ku borisa ku vana va ta n'wi ngenya miri hinkwawo lowu borile wa titsova a ni tivi ku tshama ka public a nga cincacinca tichanele a nga kuma vanhu a ri hava na mali a tshama kha a khongela ku
She prayed and called VCs.
u huma ku yena a nga n'wi nyika mali
Who gave her the money to come?
hi ku hina hi pfarile na vana va yena a nga n'wi nyiki mali
Explains to the
wa ta
children not to give her money.
to famba u ya xavisa maribye ya vanhu vo fa ivi ku maribye yo xaviwa va n'wi nyika na buku vanhu vo langetela va n'wi nyika mali a kota ku ta fika laha u ta nyikela leswaku chanele leyi ta famba mani u ta xaviseni wa xaveriwa va bukile mara u va na vhiki ntsena u tlharihele tlhelo mani hi ringeta ku n'wi borisa hi ku kumba ta tshama hansi hi n'wi sukumetile vhiki leri nga hela vona na mavoko lawa na xisuti leswi mara a nga tshamangi a nga ku tivi na le lulekane a suka ka phungeni a famba ta fika
But she came here.
manano ixi mara ixi yani ixi hai a swi endlile ina hi dlana n'wana wa yena
We
accidentally
killed also
hi
her
pfala na leyi leyi nga humi
Block
hi ri yi
the
ta
mother
huma
to
ta
come
tisa
out.
ka mufana
that will come out and she will bring 8 years.
swi endlile a hi ku swi endlile
We thought
Hey.
it has done.
a ni tivi ku langete ku na public hi ya kona
I don't know who told her about this public. She's always
a nga ha languti na tin'wani
She don't even watch other channels
a za kuma mufana
until
loyi
she finds this boy.
mufana loyi kona se a hi vavisile
This boy hates us.
I love him with Susim Sabin. He was Sukumatila, what Chomakala,
He wanted to die, and we
he
pushed
was
him.
Chomakala, she suited me. He was Kumbata Samahasi. I got Samago Chomokila Maboko. He ringed up with Boris and Miri.
We're trying to rob your building. She said, I'm going to
Hey, look at it.
when she's in church, where she is, she's always dancing for her.
Hey,
She annoys me
he would
too
travel
much.
it in Yanga let a carton get
We broke
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, my Father. Thank you, my deliverer. Oh, thank you, Jesus.
All right.
I'm delivered now.
Mama, your business to be big. Your children, they will know you.
Thank you, Jesus.
Will you see this? This, she will come back and testify.
Stop us from this.
You are healed, Mama.
Man, it's really man.
You are healed, don't cry. Pastors,
Bafundis.
why the prophet praying without talking?
Hikwalaho ka yini muprofeta a khongela nga ri ku vulavuleni?
How many pastors those are here? Pastors?
Lava nga kona haleni.
Pastors, let me see the hands.
Bafundisi, mo vona mavoko ya n'wina.
Why prophet pray without talking? Moen. Why I pray without talking?
Hikwalaho ka yini khongela ni nga vulavuli?
Eh? I want to show you all my pastors, all of you servants of God.
Ni ta mi komba hinkwenu vanhu
It's not all about voice.
a hi timhaka ta rito.
Jesus,
Yesu
he don't live in a voice.
a nga hanyi
He live
ritweni,
in a heart.
u hanya mbilwini.
Are we together?
Yes,
When
sir.
you say me out, I'm just motivating you.
Loko ni
I can
out,
deliver
out.
each and everyone without talking.
Ni nga dilivhera munhu un'wana na un'wana ni nga vulavulanga.
My blood, my bones, my eyes,
Ngati,
my everything.
marhambu na hinkwaswo
It is talking.
swa vulavula.
There's a power everywhere.
Ku na matimba hinkwawo.
So that's why you see me not touching her.
Hikwalaho
I
mi
just
vona ni
look
nga
at her.
n'wi
I'm not
langutisi.
fighting her. I was fighting the one who was inside. Me and the one who was inside who was communicating.
A hi ri ku vulavuleni.
That's why at the end the demon go. Mama, you are free, you are delivered.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Father.